So I'm here at the Royole, is that how you say it?
The Royal booth? Yeah.
The Royal booth at CES 2019, where they're showing off the first commercially available flexible phone. So do you want to just give us the rundown here?
Okay, so it starts as a 7.8-inch tablet, and then you can fold it in half, and then it becomes a smartphone. It can fit in your pocket, right? So it's available in China right now. It's going to be on sale in the United States as soon as they get FCC compliance, and they're looking around like $1,400 price range, something like that. Yeah. Did you want to play with it at all? I know she said not to, but like you should just play it. You just go give it a go. Yeah. They're looking to build like unique applications for it.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So it does fit in your pocket. It doesn't have a rear-facing camera. It has two front-facing cameras. Yeah. One's a widescreen. One's a telescopic, just like the iPhone 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this is the first flexible phone coming to market. We're beating Samsung to the punch with it.
That you most certainly are, yes.
Yeah.
Wow, it's really cool just being able to like hold it and like flex it around. But the one thing that's a little concerning is, well, so the spine, like when you're holding it, once it, the software works better, it's not like a traditional phone where it's just a solid brick. You have this extra sort of bumpy spine and that gap there. So you're saying it could be used for stuff?
Like a purse,
Like a purse design.
It does kind of look like a purse.
It does kind of,
yes.
yes.
Stuff in there, yeah. Like, I mean, with like a case, so it doesn't fall out the sides, Maybe girls like it.
That's true, that could be.
Yeah, less stuff for them to carry because they don't have very big pockets,
Yeah.
Yeah. When I get that camera thing working, she's got to show me how to work it. But like when I'm taking a photo of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you'll be able to see the photo on your side. I'll be able to see the photo on my side, right? And then the spine is going to have the notifications. And you can do unique applications for it, like put it like this, on a table, right? And then you can play Battleship. One person could be on this side, other person could be watching on that side. Pretty cool. Let's see. It's obviously a plastic display. It's not glass, so it's not going to crack.
Right. Yeah.
It's not going to scratch. It's a lot more durable.
Yeah. And another thing that's nice to see, a lot of earlier prototypes showed along the spine when they bent it, they put a lot of like pressure on the display, which caused some like weird issues. Yeah. And that wasn't good. But here it seems to have been fixed.
This is cleared for like 200,000 bends.
Oh wow, that's a lot of bends.
200,000 bends. Like that's just kind of like just watch. Wait, you like it? That just kind of amazes me, and it's just
it does. Yeah, it's really cool.
Thing, blows my mind. Like the screen's flexible, but obviously the battery and the circuit board and stuff aren't.
Exactly.
So, like, that's the hard part. I know that they were one of the things they were talking about, like concepts, was they wanted to have like a wristband, kind of like that would be one screen you could fold around, something they're working on. Royole specializes in flexible displays. It's a Chinese startup, right?
Right.
So like that's their thing. That's what they do. Everything at this booth is going to be all like flexible displays, like on a T-shirt. Like they have one that goes on a T-shirt, and one goes on a hat. Like it's good, pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Right.
Cool.
But thank you so much for giving me the rundown.
Yeah, no problem. Here you go.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my coverage of CES so far. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the updates, and follow me on Twitter at SolidStateTweet to get first updates on absolutely everything. If you have something you'd like to say, any comments, thoughts, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys very soon.